Yo, what's up, what's up? This is my third day here in Butuan City. So, may installation kasi kami ng PAC system dito. So, after this, uwi na kami. Pero, alam mo yun, petics lang. Work smart lang. After lunch lang kami nagtatrabaho. Kasi bago pumunta dito, inisip ko na lahat kung ano gagawin ko. Kaya, lahat ng mga ginagawa namin dito is walang sablay. Lahat okay. Share ko lang pala yung mga kanta ko dito sa album ko. Top 3 songs ko dito. Ito yung pinakamagagandang songs ko. Lagi ko pinapatugtog to pag umaalis ako, bumabiyahe. Kasi syempre, need natin hindi matulog sa biyahe. Top 3 songs, share ko sa inyo. Sa chorus lang tayo. Thank you. Ito yung top 3 songs ko. Number 3 ito. Kasi ito dedicated ko talaga sa sarili ko. Dami tayong pinaghirapan eh. Bago tayo nakarating dito sa level na to. La 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 la.
At hindi yun madali. Pero kahit na gano'n ang pinili ko pa rin ang umiti. Kasi napakaigil naman ang buhay. Bilis na sandali, yeah. Mas mabuti na sulitin na saya imbis na puro bigate. Kasi ganyan lang ang buhay. Huwag mainipin kung ano ang parating. Huwag masyadong isipin may mangyari mang mali na kanda pagsisihin. Paano ka magbabawi? Yun ang dapat isipin.
Top 2 songs. Dito sa favorite to ha. Anes. Baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you everything between.
I like our pretty faces to waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom, girl. You make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. 'Cause you give me love and affection, I give you all my protection. I'm trying to stay by your side till the day I die. And you give me all of your love, and I give you all of my trust. I know you'll never betray me, you'll leave my side. Oh my baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces to waste my time, but you're my dream, girl.
Songs na paborito ko dito sa recently download ko is YK. Ito na, panahon yung chorus.
Never thought about the day that I needed more. But this feeling I can't hide it to you anymore. The way you look, the way you move, even on the floor. Baby, you got that song inside your mouth, you know my door. Baby, you know, baby, you know, and I can't control, I can't control all of this feeling. It's just easy to me. Baby, I just wanna let you know I don't wanna see you go. The way you look at you, wishing you want some more. I don't wanna lie, gusto mo ako but ito mo makasama ka. Di ko na mahihintay, so I should go. I should go.
By the way, yung top 3 songs ko, in my favorite songs ko lang sa download ko to download. Thank you. Kita-kita tayo ulit. Peace.